In this video, I will show you how to enable backup in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app. To enable the backup, click on three dots. Now click on Settings. Then click on the Chats option. Scroll down. Click on Chat Backup option. Now here you can see many options. At the bottom options, here is Google Drive settings options. First option shows time options of your chat's daily, weekly, or monthly backup. Second is on which Gmail you want to store your backup. You can backup by using data and Wi-Fi. After completing all the drive settings, click on Backup. Your chats will start backup. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.